Hi, Dr. Mary here. I know I've been pretty quiet, but now I hear it's time to say something again. I've spent really the last year and a half immersed in nature, also doing a lot of writing, and it's been just a beautiful journey, like being on a retreat, but it's your whole life. I did a series around this time last year on intuition, a lot of short videos talking about what I think it is, how I use it, and practices that can help in developing confidence in your intuition and a moment-to-moment connection with your intuition as the transmitter of your path and the journey and what you are to do. So at the end of that series, the strategies for arriving at a place where intuition is second nature, just like thinking things through with your rational mind. You've made friends of both, rational and intuitive, and they're working together. How do you go about that? And for me, the main thing was journaling, and that's like writing about nothing in particular. Like it's the morning pages where you are just whatever comes out, you write that down, and then you are not burdened with that hanging out in your mind for the rest of the day. Always little ways to let go. And then the other was spending time outside, being in nature. And in doing that, and I really did that, and that's what the videos that I have been recording. And if you look through the gallery, that this is what it is: the squirrels, the birds, the heron, the egret, the eagle, the little birds, and what has been a part of my life. I've even started fishing, like with a pole in the river, and eating fish, which has been pretty amazing.